And I was speaking to some of the team members earlier on today. One of the key things that they always have a fear of is getting injured on the first day. As we see the Kyrgyzstan Special Force sniper make his way up the tower. Kyrgyzstan, another one of the teams using their own weapons. That's a miss, so there will be a penalty there. First attempt at breaching the door comes off. This is a long wait and a dead weight that they have to carry out through. The Special Forces of Kalkan, the Kyrgyzstan team. So I'm told trousers that just come below the knee are called pedal pushers. So the Kalkan sniper in his pedal pushers, or actually does he have his trousers rolled up? Or are they pedal pushers? Either way, that's a damn good shot by the Kyrgyzstani sniper. They're up. They're through the door. They're out. And they're being cheered on across that finish line. 1:02.3, very quick indeed by the department.